On Wednesday, February the 26th, Duke Energy orchestrated the removal of trees on Hicks Road and Mirror Lake Road that endangered their transmission lines and supplied power to the town of Highlands. Over the course of 10 hours, the team of Duke Power, a number of tree removal services, the electrical crews, and others took down about 29 trees in what can only be called orchestra of removal. There are many instruments and a conductor, and unless the conductor brings them all together, it is not music, it is just noise. On Wednesday, Duke Power, those private contractors, and the town of Highlands made music. Starting at 8 a.m., Duke turned off the power and then took safety steps to ground the power lines. Then the people and the vehicles arrived. Tractors, chippers, bucket trucks. To handle the task, Duke Power and the others brought 130 professionals to manage the work, cut the trees, operate the vehicles, put crews on the ground, and possibly the bravest of them all, the man in the treetops. The job of cutting down those huge trees was not a simple cut it, let it fall, cut it into pieces and haul it away. Here is a quick showing of how it all went down. First, the 100-foot crane gets locked into position. Then the tree cutter is hooked to a cable and hauled to the top of the tree.
Kidding me.
Then the cutter unhooks himself from the crane, ties the cable to the top of the tree. Climbs down 20 feet, then cuts the top of the tree. Now comes the ballet. The crane lifts the top and then gently lowers it between the power lines. Where a tractor then moves it, and the ground crews cuts it into pieces for hauling. The process continues, cutting the tree in stages. That's it. Just repeat that 15 or 20 times for those giant trees. While all that was going on, other crews were removing trees from Hicks Road, Mirror Lake, and in town. So after 10 hours, over 130 people working, 29 trees felled and hauled away, the town of Highlands is more prepared for what comes next. I want to thank Duke Energy and the electrical crews, especially our electrical crews. I want to thank the police and also the media for putting out multiple messages warning of the impending power outage. But most of all, I want to thank the residents for working through this day of no power To all, well done.